Welcome to English Listening Practice. In this video, you will hear 4 statements about a picture. When you hear the statements, you must select one statement that best describes the picture.
Question number 1. A. She is folding shirts. B. Soap sits on washer. C. A woman loads the washer. D. Clothes are in dryer. Question number 2. A. A man is reading a magazine. B. Magazines are on the floor. C. He is loading a washer. D. Laundry is being folded. Question number 3. A. She is loading the washer. B. A man is folding towels. C. Clothes are on the table. D. She is opening the dryer. Question number 4. A. People are washing clothes. B. Some machine doors are open. C. Towels are being folded. D. Baskets are near the door. Question number 5. A. Shirts are hanging on a rack. B. He is ironing a shirt. C. He is folding the clothes. D. He is loading a machine. Question number 6. A. She is folding clean towels. B. Coins are on the floor. C. The machine is closed. D. She is getting some coins. Question number 7. A. A child is on the floor. B. The child is washing clothes. C. A woman is reading magazines. D. Clothes are being dried. Question number 8. A. Baskets are on benches. B. A man is carrying a basket. C. Towels are being folded. D. He is sitting on bench. Question number 9. A. People are hanging shirts. B. Shirts are being washed. C. The rack is empty. D. Clothes are on the rack. Question number 10. A. She is pushing a laundry cart. B. Bottles are on the shelf. C. Towels are being folded. D. She is loading a washer. Here are the answers for all 10 questions. The detailed answers for each question will follow.
Answer number 1. Answer C. Because the woman bends toward the open front loading washer and pushes clothes into the metal drum. A. Is wrong because she is not folding shirts. B. Is wrong because no soap is sitting on top of the washer. D. Is wrong because the clothes are at the washer, not inside a dryer. Answer number 2. Answer: A. Because the man sits on the bench holding an open magazine and reading the pages. B. Is wrong because the magazine is in his hands, not on the floor. C. Is wrong because he sits waiting, not loading a washer. D. Is wrong because no laundry is being folded in the photo. Answer number 3. Answer: A. Because the woman is at the open washer putting clothes into the washer drum. B. Is wrong because no man is folding towels. C. Is wrong because the clothes are not spread on a table. D. Is wrong because the visible action is loading the washer, not opening a dryer. Answer number 4. Answer: B. Because several of the washing machine doors are clearly left open in the row. A. Is wrong because there are no people in the laundromat. C. Is wrong because no one is folding towels. D. Is wrong because the baskets are located under the tables, not near a door. Answer number 5. Answer: C. Because the man is using both hands to fold a shirt on the table. A. Is wrong because the clothes are folded on the table, not hanging on a rack. B. Is wrong because he is folding the shirt by hand, not ironing it. D. Is wrong because he is standing at the folding table, not loading clothes into a machine. Answer number 6. Answer: D. Because the woman feeds bills into the change machine slot with one hand near the coin tray. A. Is wrong because she is not folding towels. B. Is wrong because the coins are not scattered on the floor. C. Is wrong because she is actively using the machine, which is not closed. Answer number 7. Answer: A. Because the child sits cross-legged on the tiled floor beside a plastic chair. B. Is wrong because the child waits on the floor, not washing clothes. C. Is wrong because only the woman's legs appear at the washer, not reading magazines. D. Is wrong because no dryer or drying clothes are visible in the photo. Answer number 8. Answer: B. Because the man walks down the aisle carrying a full laundry basket with both hands toward the dryers. A. Is wrong because the basket is in his hands, not on a bench. C. Is wrong because no towels are being folded. D. Is wrong because he walks standing, not sitting on a bench. Answer number 9. Answer: D. Because shirts and pants hang on the tall metal drying rack in the laundromat corner. A. Is wrong because no people appear in the photo. B. Is wrong because the clothes hang dry on the rack, not being washed. C. Is wrong because the rack holds hanging clothes and is not empty. Answer number 10. Answer: A. Because the woman pushes a metal laundry cart loaded with detergent bottles and folded towels down the aisle. B. Is wrong because the bottles sit on the cart, not on a shelf. C. Is wrong because the towels are already folded with no one folding them. D. Is wrong because she walks with the cart, not loading a washer.